Hello everyone, this is Shandong KASRY Intelligent Equipment Company Limited. I'm Miss Amy, nice to see you. I am the Overseas Marketing Director of KASRY Group. Now welcome to us. KASRY is specializing processing equipment of steel structure company. Steel structure equipment. So now let me take you show. Have a look. Go ahead please. Well, now we already come into the workshop and working space of KASRY. We have covered 16,000 per square meters of the workshop and over 200 workers at this present. We have totally 10 workshops for processing our machinery. Well, let's now first talk about our pipe plasma cutting machine. This workshop is mainly for the 3D pipe plasma cutting, which we can cut round pipe, square pipe, and rectangular pipe. All this machinery is almost ready for delivery. Well, I think this is a necessary product and every workshop will need it. Now our month's productivity is over 13 sets. We have all the machine, all type in stock. You can start order right now. As I mentioned before, KASRY is an overall solution provider for the steel fabrication project. We can offer customization for different steel fabrication projects. We can offer beam steel cutting line, beam welding production line, as well 3D drilling machine, shot blasting, painting. KASRY is already very famous now, both home and abroad. Hello, now please follow me. Have a look on the laser cutting, welding, shot blasting, painting workshop. Let's go. Okay, say what's this? It's a very hot temperature room. Now it's already 118 centigrade degree. Each part of each machine must come into this hot automatically painting room. We will guarantee the durability of the color. High precision comes from super milling machining center. It's our guarantee of the cutting precision. This is another type of machining center of us. Big milling machine always makes the machine surface more flat and beautiful. Yes, the huge product behind me is the automatic painting line. But now it is still under processing. It's a semi-product. Let's anticipate the finished one. This is the new product of KASRY. It is H-beam welding production line, which consists of 3 machines in one. It will consist welding machine, assembling machine, straightening machine. If you compare to the traditional one, which is more save space, more economic, and improved a lot of efficiency. You can see the space now is very less, but which can do same work. In the traditional, we will make 3 machines all like here and 3 workers. So we will be most recommend this model for you. Shot blasting plays a very important role on the surface beauty. So in KASRY, we call it shot blasting as great beauty. Okay. If you are doing high-rise buildings, bridges, or steel structure business, I'm sure you will need this machine. H-beam high-speed drilling machine, it will help you drill perfect holes, which is high precision and the circle looks more beautiful, which is reliable for the request from the bridges and such kind of industries. Well, it's drill 3 sides of angle beam, channel beam, I-beams, etc. Please follow me to the Center of Research and Development. KASRY has two branches of the research and development in Shanghai and Jinan. Today I will show you one of the parts. First, let's say hi to Mr. Yuan. He is the director of the research and development. He has over 20 years rich experience in these fields. Hello, Mr. Yuan.
Hello.
Busy? Hello. So now we're first look through this camera to our overseas client. We are just showing the clients our strengths for the research and development.
Okay, please.
Okay, thank you. Well, we are professionally on the 3D plasma software, which we promise our clients lifespan free updates. We hope all our employees enjoy work, enjoy life. In Jam, they can be more relaxed and get more power. Hello, my friend, Miss Amy again. Welcome to KASRY. Welcome to our business school. People is the key to success. We are request our people, our employees, focus on learning and creation. Hello, all friends. Now we come to the reception area of KASRY. You can see all the design is mantle style. Well, we named this reception as Four Seasons in China. You know, Four Seasons will give us different feelings and emotion. I will show you one my favorite, summer. In summer, everywhere is very hot. You can see we grow one great tree. The tree will give us some cooling feeling. Welcome you. Okay, all the design here is show the pipe cutting and the welding, which is completed by our equipment. And you can, if you have any more good ideas, you can tell me, please. Also, we can have a look on this drawing. Okay, just waiting for you here, sincerely. Hello, Mr. Zhao. May I come in? Thank you. Now we are just making a video for the demonstration of whole KASRY because due to the corona issue, the overseas clients they can't fly to China. So would you like to say something to our friends?
Alright.
Okay.
My friend is Hacker. Welcome to KASRY.
Welcome to KASRY. This is KASRY. This is my company. I'm Miss Amy. We are the 3D plasma cutting professor. We are the overall solution provider for steel structure. I'm waiting for you here.